Okay, so as you get the picture now, this is sort of like an apocalypse train, a Mad Max train, a doomsday train. Just a fun little train that I've been playing with. Of course, we have an oversized motor in it, and sadly, it's only four-wheel drive. I may do some kind of conversion to make this thing work in here also, but right now I'm focused on finishing up some guns, right? So we got 2 Gatling guns here, 1 major Gatling gun here, but we need either some rockets here or some more Gatling guns here. Let's see if we can find some rockets for this thing. Okay, so we're scouring Thingiverse for a missile. Of course, I have a 3D printer, and that's how I'm doing all this stuff, and I'm 3D printing, right? So let's see, 5. Page 5, ooh, that looks really nice. Don't like it, though. The idea is making the missiles sleek on the side of here, so I just want 2 here, but something sleek, so looks like we're gonna have to go back to page 2. Yep, page 2 had it. So let's see, page 2. That one right here. It's a 172, so we can always size it, but it's close. So let's print this thing up. Get a good look at it. Yep, so we need 2 of those. All right, let's go print this thing off. Get out, get out, get out. Pop our USB into our printer. Go to USB. There you see it into my machine here. Click on it, build. And she will build it in a few. Okay, while we're waiting for our missiles to be printed, got a little carried away right there. We're gonna go ahead and tighten up this gun in the front. This is ridiculously sticking out long, so we're gonna make a visor to go over it. So like an old school visor to kind of come up and cup over it. Therefore, we have a piece of Coke can. Something that I can flex and bend real easy around this and glue it. So let's true this Coke can up. Yep, you can get creative. I'm about to take this gun back out to fix it. And I may shave this gun down a bit. I may do that. So let's go ahead and see if we can manipulate this in. Just right. So now to get the design, I'm gonna follow up like this. Come right back around. Just like that. It gives it that retro look. Looks like it was designed for it. Yeah. Just a little super glue on that. It'll hold it. Wow, that's a view. All right. This in here like this. Will it go? It's close. Yeah. Wow. Now that's artistic. Sweet. And that gun's a little crooked. There we go. Close enough. Darn it. Where's the battle? Where's the battle? Okay, now we must apply more rockets. Yes. I'm breaking this. That'll work. Yeah. Sweet. sweet. They're gonna mount beautiful. Something like this. Okay, so let's clean the flash up and paint them. Sweet! Don't she look beautiful? Okay, to finish this video out, I have to figure out what I want to do back here. So I'm thinking a large gun turret, dual gun here, and calling it the day. Pretty neat, but maybe a tad too small. I'm going to resize this so I can insert it over this truck so it swivels on the truck. Try number 1. Try number 2. And finally, try number 3. That's going to be the main gunner to cover over the truck part and give it a small little rotation, not much, just to kind of hide a lot of that. Let's try not to butcher this up too much. Look at all that infill. Good. That looks like it's gonna work. Alright, we're almost complete. So before we set this and glue this to this, let's put some paint on this. Alright, so now that we got it painted, now it's time to secure it. Okay, so to mount it, I like to use something called JB Weld.
Ready?
Put our second one. Now, if you're wanting a good bond, besides super glue and hot glue, this is going to be the stuff to use. This good stuff. Again, wear a face mask and ventilate the room, because this does have a little fumes to it. Not a lot, but it does have some. Oh, I forgot to mention, score your plastic a little bit before you do this so it grabs and holds, right? Turning it, turning it, turning it, turning it, turning it. Oh, yay! Okay, so we got a little bit longer to let this dry. Meanwhile, I was doing a little graffiti on the front. And there's our battling locomotive. She's a beaut, isn't she? Awesome, look at that. So I gotta let her dry. We will have a short on this run. You guys can catch that on video. Don't forget to please like, subscribe, and comment, and check out the future updates on this little battling locomotive. I'll catch you in the next one, guys.